Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have an exciting and different project for you today. I went to the dollar store and picked up some things. They had these shirts. This was literally the only black one they had, and it's a size small, and I don't know anyone that could even wear that, but it's going to be my tester. And then I got some bleach from the dollar store. Awesome bleach, it says. And then I got some stencils. And then I got these little spray bottles and these little foam stamp things. So we're going to just see if we can make something cool. I have ideas in my head, but who knows how it might actually work out. So to start with, I'm putting ART on here for art. And I cut out some letters from the stencil so that I could do this. Like I said, this is my tester. If I was doing this on an actual one, I'd probably put some cardboard underneath, because otherwise it'll probably go through to the back. But for now, I'm not gonna worry about it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this, and then we'll let it sit. I've never done anything like this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Just making this up as I go. Okay. And now, so that it doesn't look totally random, I'm gonna kind of do a couple other spots on the shirt. And I'm sure it'll be fine actually if it goes to the other side, because that'll kind of look cool too. Okay, I hope that stencil worked. If not, oh well. I don't think it needs that long. Let's try it. Cool. Oh no. That is awesome, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna gently set this one aside somewhere where it hopefully can't ruin anything. Let it dry. Okay. This is so cool. All right. Then I thought if that worked, I would make a shirt for my husband. Let's see, maybe this blue one. This might be a little big for him, but that's okay. And like I said, I'm not gonna worry about bleach getting anywhere that it shouldn't. Like, I'm sure I already have some on my gloves and whatever. So I have another idea besides that, and that is to take a brush and some of the bleach and basically paint a design on here. So we're gonna try that. I thought about getting the bleach pens, but I think they're less concentrated. So let's see if we do this. Okay. And I'm totally fine with it looking kind of grungy. So I don't know, I was kind of just thinking music sheets kind of here, but it's been a while. All right, we're just gonna add some symbols and whatnot across some things. I'm gonna use a smaller brush here. I don't write music, so nobody judge. This is just, let's see. It's a little like writing with invisible ink. But anyways, totally cool because you can totally customize it. And now I do want to, let's see, I cut out the letters for his audio company as well. So I think I'm gonna go here and spray those kind of right in the middle. There's already that other stuff, so it'll kind of get in there too with that, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to spray it less than I did on the other shirt. I think that's good. And then I'm going to rough up some other spots here. Cool thing about it is you have like a totally unique shirt. Nobody else in the world has this shirt. You know what I mean? Just doesn't exist anywhere. Okay, once again, remove our letters. Okay, that one didn't work as well. I'm gonna actually try spraying that one more time. Hopefully that works. One more. All right, and I do have a note on safety. I would definitely recommend using a mask when you're doing this because you're spraying bleach, which is no good. And on that note, I think that's all we're gonna do for this video. But long story short, I think this has a lot of applications. Actually, I just won't spray anymore. I'll just use my brush, which I think should be fine. So let's move this one aside. Oh my gosh, I love the first one that I did. I'll show you all of them at the end, guys. Let's see, where do I put this? Put it here. Okay. All right. And also, it's interesting seeing how the different colors work. So I'm not going to do any letters on this one, but let's go ahead and try the stamps. So I'm going to use this star stamp, which was the one I'm most excited about. Point is to be careful not to drip, I guess. May or may not work. Who knows? Yeah, not the best stamp in the world. Okay. You know what we'll do now? Take this, we'll flick it a little. Kind of see if we can make some stars around here. All right, definitely most excited about the first shirt that I did. This by far seems to work best on the black. It's definitely working here, but okay. We're giving up. All right, that splattered effect was actually really cool though. So we learned something here. 1, use a mask. 2, works very well on black. 3, what else did we learn? You can use all kinds of paints and stencils and everything. You know? Go crazy with the effects. And these are from the dollar store. Everything here from the dollar store. So this entire project, like a couple bucks. You know what I mean? Totally cool. And definitely something very unique. Something I could probably see myself playing around with for quite a while, as long as I was wearing a mask. Because I do like the effects that the spray has. And I could see too, if you had like a stencil or something of your logo, you could totally make some killer things. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and we'll do a view of all of the shirts. All right, here's our first one, by far my favorite. And I definitely like how on the black it comes out orange, whereas over here on this color it came out very pink. So there's the second one where I took the paintbrush and made some designs. So I could definitely do a little bit more on that. I also did some spray. And this one, I tried out the stamps, but they're just like little kid stamps, foam stamps, so they're not really like that great. And then I just made some whoosh. So yeah, not quite sure about that one. But look at the splatters. Look how cool the splatters actually look. So it was good to definitely try out the different applications and see what worked. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.